Hello friends, you are watching Saqib Tech YouTube channel. Today we are learning what is dropshipping and how does it works. So let's start. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an order fulfillment option that allows e-commerce businesses to outsource procuring, storing and shipping products to a third party, typically a supplier. The dropshipping model commonly appeals to entrepreneurs seeking efficiency and low overhead, but it can come at a cost. The guide will cover with dropshipping and explore how this fulfillment method then work well. Also look like a few alternative fulfillment models. What is a dropshipping business model? Is a dropshipping business model. You promote products and provide an online storefront. When a customer places an order, you send the order to dropshipper and inform customer the products are on the way. The rest of physical fulfillment process is out of your hands. Is in some dropshipping agreements you may also handle customer service, while the dropshipping service manages the physical good and fulfillment. How does dropshipping work? The extract logistics of dropshipping depend on the arrangement, but typically the dropshipping process follows: number one, seller signs agreements with dropshippers; number two, customers orders online; number three, sellers receives order; number four, customer receive an order confirmation; number five, seller forwards the order to dropshipper; number six, dropshipper ships the order; number seven, customer receives their product. Key players in the dropshipping model. Let's unpack some of the key players and their roles in detail, starting with the seller of record. In the world of e-commerce business, seller of record. The dropshipping process starts with you as a seller of record, SOR. You are individual identified as selling the product to end consumer. You set the price, record the purchase as revenue, and assume responsibility for the sales tax on a particular sale. Even when a third party stock and ships and items, you are the seller of record because you own the product before they ship to the customer. For Amazon seller, using a dropshipping service is generally allowed by Amazon dropshipping policy as long as you are the seller of record and identify yourself such. Manufacturers manufacturers make products to sell the wholesalers and retailers. You can purchase goods from manufacturers, but the bulk purchase amounts they may require can potentially be a barrier to starting or scaling your business. Some manufacturers may offer drop shipping services. Wholesalers, in a typical product supply chain, wholesalers buy from the manufacturer and sell of retailers at a slight markup and the function as middlemen. Generally, they do not sell to end consumers but may provide dropshipping services to retailers.